Hi there! Managing your inventory in Odoo doesn't have to be complicated. Whether you're adding new stock, updating quantities, or setting up automated reordering, Odoo makes it easy to keep track of your products. In this guide, we'll walk you through step-by-step process of adding an inventory product on Odoo. Let's get started. First, let's go to the product section. Head over to Inventory. Click on it and click Products. Let's say you're adding a Dell XPS 15 laptop. As for the product type, it is under goods. So you just check here the track inventory. For the sales price, you can put here $1,500, and for the cost, you can put $1,200. And for the category, let's choose electronics or laptops. We can also add a picture here for the product to be more appealing. So I have downloaded a file already, and this will be used as a display picture for the product I am selling. Now for the barcode, it's optional, but it can be used for easy scanning. So I'll just put it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. For the sales, we can check on the optional products. These are suggested whenever the customer hits add to cart. So since it's laptop, maybe we can recommend our customer an Android phone or any electronic gadgets. And for the inventory here, you can just leave it there. As for the accounting, you can also leave it blank. And then once done, we can click on the save button here to save it manually. Now let's check under the inventory if we have successfully added our product. Click on the inventory and click on products. And there you have seen the XPS laptop that we have added earlier. Now we have here the products. We can also categorize them if you want to see the services, goods, combo. But the one that we added earlier was goods. So let's just click on goods. And then you will see here the Dell XPS 15 laptop, which we have added earlier. Now you can see that it has 0 units available. To edit this one, click on the product. And on the upper part, click on the on hand. And input there the number of products available. Let's say there are 10 units available. And then after you have inputted, click apply. And it should be updated here. Now let's click on the products again. And there you see that it has been updated already. Now, if you also want to see the products in list view, you may just click this button here. And you will see here the different products available. You will see here the sales price, the cost, the on hand, and the forecasted. And that's it. Your laptop is now officially in Odoo.